So you can hand the ball to the bird. Then you try to catch it. Okay? Okay, we'll keep score. See how everybody does. Okay, hand the ball to this bird. Get ready. Anybody else that thinks they're a great ball player? Okay, come
Good
on.
job.
Come on up here. You want to go? Come on. No, how the little guy in the blue shirt does. Anybody else? We'll get a couple up here. A couple of you girls from the back. Come on. Okay. Yeah, you played with her before. Okay, you heard the rules, right? Okay. We'll start a line. Let's get some of these kids to play ball. Let's see if anybody can catch it.
Oh, nice try.
Okay, let somebody else try. Right? Come on. Come on, girls. You got to show these guys up. Okay, get ready now.